How to log into two accounts on Epic Games on your PC. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily do that. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you can do is go ahead and open up your web browser and then simply open up your Epic Games and search for it. Now click on the first link that you see, store.epicgames.com, and just make sure that you are logged into one of your account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. If you want to log into the other account right here on the browser, you can go ahead and continue by clicking on it, and then click on sign up. Then you should be able to log into another account on your Epic Games. But what you can do instead is if you want to log into two accounts simultaneously at the same time, you could use the Epic Games launcher on your PC on the app. So what you can do is sign into one account here and then sign into another one on your Epic Game Launcher. Let me just go ahead and quickly sign into one account here. Choose Google account and then simply log in. And if you want the browser to remember your login info, click on remember this device and you won't have to verify it again and again every time you log in. Now the next step you can do is go to your Epic Games Launcher and open it up. Once you launch the application, you can log into another account on the app. Simply go ahead and enter your email address and then the password to your account. Then you should be good to go. Now go ahead and click on sign in, and you should be able to sign into another account at the same time. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.